My name is Fawzia Minalla, and I'm from Pakistan, and my project is Amai, the Bird of Light, animated stories promoting multiculturalism and peace. And I've been working with children, especially children who go through a lot of trauma due to man-made or natural disasters. And I use art and book reading as a means of using it as in their healing process. So now I've introduced animated stories because they are not only entertaining for children, but they are very, very good in getting them out of trauma. So I'm very grateful to Foundation Mondo Digitale and the Global Junior Challenge, because I am going to share these little notes that little Italian girls written for this 14-year-old Pakistani child who was shot in the head, Malala. And these are all beautiful messages for Malala. And I think this is the beauty of the digital world, that they connect girls from Italy to this beautiful girl from Pakistan. Thank you. Thank you very much.